right there. Floor coverings, please. This is our 2 patients. We're looking at possibly going from 2 systems to 1. It's really hard to change that filter because it's behind the water heater, so what we need to do is move the furnace over and extend out where the filter rack is. If we put the 2 returns from either side of the furnace, we need filter racks on both sides, and then we have to figure out how we're going to get the 2 supplies connected. There's a wall behind it, so somehow we'll have to get this connected to that by moving this somehow or working around it. There's plenty of space in front, as you can see. Fuse box is in the far room behind this whole thing.